What we about to do?
We're about to get McGooey at Huey. You're a bad cameraman.
Listen, I'm working on it. All right, we good.
We're eating at Huey Magoos today.
Yeah, man, and we haven't been here before. See, we've been to Zaxby's before.
We've been to Raising Cane's before.
Which, that'll be a future review on Choose Your Flavor. But right now we're at Huey Magoos.
Or as my mom calls it, Huey Magooies.
Yeah. All right.
So what in the Huey Magoo is a Huey Magoo?
Well, I'm glad you asked.
Is it a super code name? Is it the name of a legendary pet? Not exactly. It all started on a golf course. Bring him here. Bring him here. As kids, Matt Armstrong and Thad Hudgens bonded over their love of golf.
Thad.
This passion continued on through their college years at Ole Miss, where they fell in love with Southern cooking too.
What is that emoji?
When their golf career brought them to Florida, they decided to bring the flavors of the South with them. Even though Florida is in the South.
Butter.
After months of searching for the perfect name, the guys realized that the answer had been in their childhood nicknames all along.
Amen, brother.
So Matt Huey and Thad Magoo merged Florida vibes and Southern spirit with their nicknames, and Huey Magoos was born in 2004.
Amen, brother.
I bet some of y'all weren't even born in 2004 yet.
None of y'all were born.
I bet none of y'all were born.
24.
Now they can always share a bit of who they are at heart. Two Southern buddies with a love of family quality
Jacob, your chicken's here, brother.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Do you need anything else?
Nope.
Okay.
First glance.
We got these tenders they look different than Zaxby's, you know what I'm saying?
They don't look as crispy, man.
They don't look crispy. I think they're a little bit bigger than a Zaxby's tender.
I'll say that, yeah.
Nowhere near a Cane's, which we'll get to in the future. It looks, the toast looks like a lot like Cane's.
The toast looks like Cane's.
Yeah.
It's soft like Cane's.
Yeah. Soft. That sauce looks like Cane's.
The fries look like Zaxby's.
Who do you think the original person is? Zaxby's, Cane's, or Huey Magoos?
Well, Huey Magoos is from 2004.
Well, we know that.
I think it's Zaxby's.
Yeah, it probably is, brother. Well, I guess we're gonna dig right into our Magoos real quick.
This is a lot of food, man.
Hey.
This is like Cane's. Cane's has a lot of food too. Zaxby's doesn't. And this is a lot.
Well, it's time to get gooey.
Can you try the bread first?
Try the bread.
We're trying the bread first.
By itself?
Yeah, man. Here. All right. It's very,
It kind of tastes like when you go to, it's got a little bit of like that garlic butter, almost Italian flavor to it, you know what I'm saying? You know, when you're sitting at home, your mom's got that garlic bread cooking in the oven, and it comes out of the oven?
the Texas toast.
Yeah.
It's very buttery.
I like butter. Yeah.
We're Southern boys.
Here, scratch that. Now lick it.
I like this bread a lot.
Alright.
But, you know, let's rank everything. First, second, and third. Zaxby's, Cane's, Huey's as we go along. Bread, I would say this is second.
What? Cane's is first?
Cane's is first. Zaxby's bread, it's never good.
It's because it's only one side, they only toast it.
Yeah. But then this is very good. But Cane's bread, oh my gosh. Cane's bread is like...
That's for a later video about it, buddy.
You're right. We'll just talk about this.
Alright, let's start this.
Alright.
Chicken or fries?
Chicken.
Dip it or no?
We're putting it in Cane's sauce. Let's try it. Let's try it without first.
It's not Cane's sauce.
I mean, I'm sorry. I'm just so, like, attached.
I want to eat it. Let's go.
Let's try this first without it, and then dip it in Magoo sauce.
All right, ready?
All right.
Okay. I like it. Let's give it a shot when we dip it.
Let's dip it.
Yeah.
Let's dip it. It's thick sauce. I get it now.
Just mosh with me, bro. Mosh with me. Re-dip it. Bro, that sauce.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I work at Five Guys. Dude. Whoa. Spit it out. All right, anyway. Disgusting.
Sorry, I spit out my
Didn't
fry.
actually think you were gonna spit it out.
All right, well now you try them.
No,
I wanna
no,
watch
man.
you eat
We
them.
gotta talk about the chicken first.
Okay.
Chicken is very moist.
Yeah, yeah.
You like moist chicken?
It doesn't have a ton of breading on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Where would you rank that on 1 to 3?
Probably like a 2.8. The chicken, real good.
I mean, that is Zaxby's, Cane's, and this. Rank them. 2 points.
It's better than Zaxby's.
It is.
It's worse than Cane's.
It is.
Yeah.
Cane's wins again.
Yeah.
All right.
These are good, man.
Now let's try the fries. Let's try one without cane sauce, and then, dude, I just love Raising Cane's so much.
It's
calling it
Magoo
Cane's
sauce.
Magoo sauce. Oh, we should also rate Zach sauce, cane sauce, and Magoo sauce. Number 1 is cane sauce. Dude.
Cane sauce is the
So
best.
good.
This
then
is lighter.
I like this better than Zach sauce.
It's better than Zach sauce.
Yeah.
It's like real light.
All right, I'm fry without.
Oh yeah, yeah. All right, go. No,
It's the
wait
same
for,
as Zaxby's.
Wait for the seasoning.
Dude, it's kind of too much for me. Let me try it in Magoo. Yeah, that's too much seasoning for me, man. I'm gonna have to say that it's Cane's, Zaxby's, and then Magoo's for fries. What are you drinking?
Watermelon tea.
Watermelon tea.
Love Huey Magoos.
You gotta put some slow-mo on this, man. It's not choosy flavor without slow-mo.
Boy, he loves it.
You like Huey?
They call me Double Dip.
They call me... How many times? I've only eaten one tender, bro.
I've had 2 tenders, boy. How many tenders have you had, boy? 1 tender, boy.
Hey. I don't like the way you treat me in videos. I don't like how you treat me in videos, man.
Dude, can we talk about this later? We're in a video right now.
No, I'm sick of this, bro. You're embarrassing me.
We're eating chicken in a video
I know
right now.
what you... Listen.
You're,
I know what you...
You're embarrassing me.
I know where to choose your flavor. But sometimes I want to choose my own flavor. I'm tired of choosing yours for you. We're fine.
Just stop.
They're out of lemonade. They're out of tea.
Talk about the pepper. Tell me what to say. What
You
you're
know,
gonna
the
say.
seasoning is good. There's
What's going on?
too much seasoning on the fries, man. It's like burning my throat.
What are you trying to tell me?
You see how much pepper is on this fry? There's too much.
Wait. Let me.
There's too much, Huey. I'm on to you.
All right, let me zoom in on the French fry, brother. Yeah, that's a great French fry. Love that French fry. Nice. Yeah, let me do another one. Let me zoom in on the French fry.
Okay.
Okay. Man, look at that French fry. That's a big old fry. Is it vegan?
Yeah.
Put it in the mouth, bro. Let me see. Vegan. Hey man, how's your chicken? Pretty
Do you
good?
want my last one?
Wait, what?
Do you want my last one?
Your chicken tender?
Yeah.
Wait,
You
right.
don't have to record everything.
No,
You can stop sometimes.
No.
Do you want it?
Wait,
Do
you
you
gonna let
want
me eat
it?
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take it. I guess.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, you feeling it? You feeling it?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be okay?
I don't like my coleslaw.
You don't like your... Are you picky? Are you a picky eater?
Stop talking about the vibe. This is why I'm quitting the channel.
Baby... Wait, what?
My lock's broken. So pissed!